Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the issue. The app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. Step 1, open App Installation Settings. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window from the left-hand panel, click Apps. On the right side, click Advanced App Settings. Step 2, allow installation from anywhere. In the Choose Where to Get Apps section, click the drop-down menu. Select Anywhere to allow installations from any source. Close the settings window. Now try reinstalling your desired app. It should work without any warning. That's it. You've successfully changed your app installation settings to fix the Microsoft app warning. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Take care and see you in the next video.